Hey, Chris Clausen here with another edition of Ask the Expert. Today I have Adam Heller from Heller Clausen Tax Grievance Group, and we're going to talk about the process of filing a tax grievance on your real estate taxes. So Adam, what's the number one question you get from people when they talk to you about saving money on their real estate taxes?
Number one question I get is, Adam, can you save me money in my property taxes? And
what should they be asking?
really, they should be asking, am I overassessed? Is the town or county valuing my property too high so that I'm paying more than my fair share in property taxes?
So then, Adam, how would somebody know if they're overassessed?
Well, Chris, that's one of the services that our firm provides. I would recommend that they contact our firm, and within 5 minutes, all we need is your address. We'll let you know whether you are being overassessed and whether we can save you money or not. Remember, we don't get paid anything unless we're actually successful in lowering your property taxes.
So Adam, how would you know within 5 minutes if somebody's overassessed?
Well, Chris, we would first take a look and see what the town or county is actually assessing your property at. Then taking that amount, we would compare that to other sales in your area in the previous year.
Right.
And if your home is being assessed for more than what those sales are,
Right.
then you would have a property tax grievance case.
All right, so let's just say I come to you 5 minutes later, you tell me, yeah, I'm overassessed. What happens next? What do you do?
Well, Chris, what we would do then is we would prepare a petition
Right,
for your property.
right,
We would file it with the local town or county.
right,
90% of these cases are denied at the town level.
okay.
We would then bring it to a special division in New York State Supreme Court,
Right.
and that's where the biggest reductions are won.
Well,
And that's where we'd win it.
I gotta tell you, this sounds really expensive to me. I mean, you know, I'm a homeowner, I can't afford to hire an attorney, go to town court, and how does that work?
Well, the great thing about the Heller Clausen Grievance Group is that we don't charge any upfront fees whatsoever.
Uh-huh.
You only pay if we actually are successful in lowering your property taxes.
So Adam, from start to finish, how long does this whole process take?
Chris, typically these cases do take between 12 and 18 months. But after you sign the initial agreement with us,
Right.
and again, there's no fee whatsoever up front,
Right.
we handle the rest of the process. There's nothing more that you need to do.
All right, so I know I'm paying a lot in real estate taxes. You've got me sold. What do I do? What's the next step?
First step is you sign an agreement with the Heller Clausen Grievance Group. We'll file a petition with the local town or county.
All right.
Most of the cases, 90% of the cases there, are denied. They hope we go away. We don't. We'll then take the case to a special division of New York State Supreme Court, and we'll fight the case there.
So how do I sign up for this anyway? You mentioned something about a website where I can go online, sign up online?
Yes, Chris, we actually have the capability now. We have an online application that you can fill out at our website,
Which is?
www.grieveourtaxes.com.
www.grieveourtaxes.com. But if I wanted to give you guys a call and just had a few more questions before I do that, where do I call?
Sure. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, year-round. Our phone number is area code 631-782-3177.
Hey, one thing that I forgot to ask you, and that was, aren't there grievance deadlines or something coming up?
Very important. If you miss the deadline, you'd have to wait till the following year.
What's the deadline in town of Brookhaven?
Town of Brookhaven, and for all the Suffolk towns, is May 21st, 2013. And for Nassau County, they've actually extended the deadline this year to May 1st, 2013.
So I better get going if I'm going to miss this thing, huh?
Yeah, Chris.
All right.
We got to go.
All right, thanks.